Hello everybody and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about best legal insurance in Germany. So this one is going to be for those guys who are really confused in deciding which insurance to take, if maybe you are an expatriate shifting to Germany, or if maybe you are a resident of Germany and looking for something better. Then this video is going to be helpful for you. So the first one is going to be the feather. It does cover a million euros EU coverage, so why not? Absolutely, it is going to be covering in just 13.5 euros. Then we have 250,000 worldwide coverage. We have a free lawyer and everything in English. So this is really helpful for expatriates because everything is gonna be in English. If you speak English, then it's of course best for you. Then we also have Get Safe and Case Auxilla. But yeah, I hope this is gonna be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.